Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll be exploring how to use Airtable for a community outreach program, and trust me, this is one tool you're going to want to master. First off, we'll need to set up our base. Click that beautiful blue Add a Base button and select Start from Scratch. This is our digital workspace, where we'll be organizing all our outreach data. Having a clean, organized base is crucial to keeping our information accessible and easy to navigate. Next up, we'll create our first table. Let's call it Contacts. Here, we'll note down all the people we're reaching out to. The reason we do this is to keep our contacts organized and in one place. This way, we won't waste time looking for information when we need it. Now that we've got our contacts sorted, let's create a second table called Events. This will help us track all our outreach events, past, present, and future. This helps us because it allows us to monitor our program's progress and effectiveness. Then, we'll connect our contacts and events tables using a link to another record field. This might seem complicated, but it's actually pretty simple. This field will help us link our contacts to specific events, allowing us to track who was involved in what event. This step is important because it gives us a clear overview of our outreach efforts. Now, here's what's happening behind the scenes. As we enter data into our tables, Airtable is creating a database that's both flexible and powerful. We can manipulate this data in countless ways to get the insights we need. Want to know who attended the most events? Easy. Want to see which events had the highest attendance? Done. Finally, let's not forget about Airtable's views. By creating different views, we can filter, sort, and group our data to display only what we need to see. This helps us because it allows us to focus on specific aspects of our outreach program without getting overwhelmed by all the data. And there we have it. That's the basics of using Airtable for a community outreach program. With these steps, you're well on your way to becoming an Airtable Pro. Remember, the key to effective outreach is organization, and Airtable is here to help you achieve just that. Thanks for joining us, and see you next time.